Hi, you there. Do you want to work from your 20 to your 60 from doing a 9 to 5 job or doing a shift work, working nights, then working days? Or do you want to earn a passive income so that you can work the hours you want and then you can even earn money while you sleep? I am here to help you to be able to do this. This is Mike from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. As I said at the beginning, do you want to work from 9 to 5 every day for the rest of your life? From when you're 20, let's circle this round, until you're about 60 years old or so? In fact, I was going to say I've got 60. In this country, now I'm in the UK, retirement age is now 68. So, I mean, do you want to work 9 to 5 every day? Or do shift work, working nights and working days? Or do you want to earn a passive income and to be able to work what hours you want and whenever you want? You can earn money online and be sleeping, making money, be on holiday, be making money, be out with the family, making money. Now, this is entirely up to you. So many people do this and get fed up with their life because they want to be able to work and play whenever they want. Now, this, as I say just now, this is entirely up to you. But if you want to work from when you're about 20 years old to your 60 or 68 in my country here in the UK, that is entirely up to you. But you cannot or you don't have to do that because you can earn a passive income online and make money online. It's very easy to do, but when I say it's easy to do, you have to put some hard work in to start with to be able to earn money online and make a passive income. Some people think when they start to do something like this, it's going to happen overnight. Well, I'm afraid to say it doesn't happen overnight. It takes several months or even up to 12 months before you start to earn money online and make a passive income. Yes, you might be saying, oh, well, I want it to happen tomorrow. But if you're thinking it's going to happen tomorrow, then I'm afraid you are absolutely wrong. It does not happen just like that. You have got to learn the correct strategy to be able to make money online. It's no use doing, oh, I'm going to do it this way, I'm going to do it that way. There's only one proven way to do it, and you have to follow that strategy. Now then, you might say, oh, there's so many more people out there doing this strategy, I need to do it a different way, otherwise I'm not going to earn money online. Well, I'm afraid to say you have to follow the proven strategy, what everybody else does. There are millions and millions of people out there in this world who would like to earn money online, but just sit there and they don't do it. But if you don't sit there, you get off the fence and you make a start, you will earn money online. But, as I said, you've got to be prepared to put the work in to be able to earn money online. You need to learn how to do it. Now then, I do have a program for you, which I will tell you towards the end of this video, how you can earn money online. I also do have, you will see down below, I do have a free ebook down there, which will actually help you to earn money online also as well. But first of all, you have to decide how you're going to earn this money or how you're going to earn a passive income online. You need to find a niche which suits you, not what suits everybody else. You need to find a niche that suits you, but it's got to be a niche which people, or niche should I say, it's got to be a niche which people are actually looking for. Don't think, oh, everybody's looking for that niche, I need to go find a different niche. Because if you try to find an obsolete niche something, well, again, you are not going to make any money. I can tell you that right away. You will not make any money. You have to find not only a proven niche, But as I say, you have to follow a proven way to be able to sell your niche. Now, the best niches out there are to make money online are digital products, health-wise, like weight loss, or love and romance, where people either try to get their exes back, or they are actually looking for a new partner online. And this is a way to do it. You have to and I say this is a way to do it. Those are the main three lines where people do make money online. So don't think just because everybody else is doing it, I'm not going to make any money online. Yes, you will. As I said, there are millions and millions and millions of people out there looking for this. Now, and the best place where people look these days it was two places actually look these days really, is YouTube, which is what I'm doing right now, or Facebook. Because then the two difference between those two is with Facebook, people there are not actually looking for it. You have to sell it to them because when they see your advert there, it's got to be an advert or a catchy advert which will make them actually look to see what it is. The other way, as I say, YouTube. Well, people normally on YouTube, if they find you online on YouTube, is because they are actually looking for that particular subject. And that's probably the best way to do it, to be perfectly honest. With Facebook also, you have got to pay Facebook to get your ads up there, which you do on YouTube. It is totally free. And you can also make money on YouTube also in the respect if you allow people to put ads up on your YouTube video. It does take time before people will pick you up on YouTube. It's no use thinking you're going to put 2 or 3 YouTube videos up out there and you're going to start making money. I'm afraid that doesn't work. You've got to do numerous videos for people to actually pick you up. You've got to have the right tag words, the right keywords, etc. There are many videos out there telling you how to do the keywords and how to find the right keywords to be able to sell your products there online. But as I said, you have got to follow a proven strategy to be able to make money online. Now then, as I said, I've got a free ebook down below which will give you ideas how to start to make money online. It will also tell you how to brand yourself, because you have to brand yourself with a particular name, like mine is Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. And it will tell you how you can acquire that name because you don't want nobody else to have the same name as you when you're trying to sell or trying to make money online. Otherwise, you have the same name as somebody else, and it causes no matter or so much confusion out there and especially if somebody's already established with the name you've got, you will never ever be actually picked up. You will also find down below, which is a product I got, which I thoroughly recommend, which is 15 Steps to Success. If you can click onto that one, there's 15 videos in this program which teaches you how to make money online. And I can thoroughly recommend this course. But what I also say is if you download my free ebook, I will then send you a link for these 15 steps to success. So then you get both, or two, should I say, products. They're all in one go, which I would suggest for you. That is the best way to do it. So I hope I'm helping you. As I say, just look at this again. Think about it. You don't want to work from 9 to 5 every day for the rest of your life. I certainly don't, and I certainly am not doing that anymore. As I say, or doing working nights, working days, whatever. If you don't want to do that and be stuck in that rut for the rest of your life, like from roughly 20 to 60 plus years old, working, as I say, from 9 to 5, then do what I'm asking you to do and join me on this journey to make money online and to get a passive income for life and to be very, very, very successful at it. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.